What is going on, guys? We are back with another YouTube video. Every single day here in December, I will be uploading a brand new video. So, if you guys love sneakers, make sure you guys smash that like button right now, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe right now, join the More family. I'll be uploading every single day here in December. So make sure you guys join the More family. We're on the road to 70,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support you guys show me on the channel. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Why? Because I am giving away a pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes to one of you guys, my subscribers watching. All you guys need to do is like this video. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button right now. Join the More family. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you watch my content and you aren't subscribed, which is a lot of people, make sure you guys subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what size you need in the Gratitude 11s. Take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. The link is down below in the description. Send me proof that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck. On release day, I'll be announcing the giveaway winner. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. I am giving away a few pairs of the Gratitudes here in December. So if you don't win the first giveaway, you will have multiple chances. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Good luck on the Gratitude Jordan 11s. Now in this video, we're going to talk about the sneaker market, because what is going on. If you guys have not seen my last video on the Jordan 1s, in particular the Jordan 1 market, make sure you guys check that video out. Now in this video, I want to talk about the whole sneaker market as a whole, because the market is down. To say the least, it's down, right? Compared to just a few years ago, 2019, 2020, 2021, we were seeing everything, and I mean everything, reselling, going up in price. You couldn't really get sneakers for retail easily, and if you were able to make money on them. I'm talking everything, even Air Force Ones, guys. The all-white Air Force One was reselling just a few years ago. Now, here in 2023, nope. We have no resale on a lot of releases. There's no money to be made on a lot of releases. If you're a sneakerhead, this is great news. If you love sneakers like I do, this is great, right? It's a great time to be a sneakerhead. Why? Because you guys can get shoes at prices that you're comfortable paying. Finally. Right? You're comfortable paying a lot of these prices. Not everything. We still have certain sneakers like the Harito SBs, SB4s. A lot of SBs, I'll say, this year have really popped off. But a lot of sneakers now are going on sale. A lot of releases are sitting. We're finally seeing shoes sit. If you ask me, we're going back to 2016, 2017. At that time, collabs selling out, going for money. That was pretty much it. Some OGs were selling out, like Bread Ones, Royal Ones. The OGs would sell out and have some resale. A lot of them, not all. A lot of OGs would also sit back in 2016, 17. It really depends on the model. That's really what it came on. What was the model? How hype was it in the past? Did Kanye wear it? Yes, Kanye had a big factor. Bread Ones, Royal Ones, Shadow Ones. They always had resale. Kanye effect. That was a huge thing. You know, even during the Yeezy time, we were seeing Yeezys, going for money at this time. Jordans, no. A lot of releases were sitting when it comes to the Jordan side. Yeezys were reselling like crazy. Now, fast forward, Yeezys, the market has died down. We're not even getting releases anymore. That's a whole nother subject. So when we talk about the Jordan market, a lot of the sneaker market, a lot of Nike Dunks, they've flopped now here in 2023, guys. The market has completely flopped. To say the least, it's flopped. I'm going to say it's flopped. It really has. And what sneaker really shows that, in my opinion, has to be the Gratitude 11s. And here's why. Every single year, we get a Jordan 11 during the holidays, and it always has resale, right? They always have resale. Well, for the first time, the Gratitudes don't even release yet. They're not even dropped yet, and they're already going for under retail. Crazy. It's the first time this has ever happened that I can think of. and I've been into shoes since 2010. That's never ever happened. The Jordan 11 has always had resale each and every holiday year. The cherries, it was starting to really go down. We were really seeing it last year, but this year, so drastic, they're already under retail. So that's a great example, in my opinion, to show where the market is. The Jordan 11, I think right now, is a great point to show where the market's at, guys. It's crazy. It's absolutely wild what has happened. If you're a reseller, man, it's tough. It's tough. If you're a reseller, I want you to drop comments down below and let me know, how have you shifted, because you've had to, how have you shifted within the market to actually still be profitable and still resell sneakers? I'm curious. I don't resell full-time at all, so I'm definitely curious to those of you that do, how does that work? How are you guys shifted so much? Drop a comment, let me know. If you're a collector, it's a great time to buy shoes, isn't it? A lot of these releases have dropped. Listen, even older releases have dropped a lot in price. You know, look at Mocha 1s, Lost and Founds, a bunch of shoes, a lot of Travis Scotts. A handful of Travis Scotts have even dropped a good amount of money. They really have. Look at the Fragment Highs. They've dropped a good amount. Trophy Room Jordan 1s dropped a good amount. There's been a lot of those type of shoes that have just dropped a good amount of money. They're still expensive, don't get me wrong, but not what they were at just, you know, a year and a half, 2 years ago. It's absolutely wild to see. Wild to see. The market's done a full 180. It's crazy. I want you guys to drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. Are you happy? Are you sad? Does it, and be honest, I want you to let me know, does it draw you away from sneakers? Because for some people, it might. You know, a lot of people want what they can't have. And when it's easy to obtain, people don't want it. That's the truth. That's the honest truth. A lot of the sneaker stuff, the Jordans, the Yeezys, our whole niche here, a lot of it is people want what they can't have, and when they can have it, they don't want it. And we're seeing that a lot here in 2023. And a big factor you guys have to always realize is money. People do not have money like they did in 2020, 2021. People don't have money like that anymore. Everything has gone up. Groceries, don't even get me started. Rent, everything. Bills have just gone up. Up, 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 up. And money has not for a lot of people, right? So, you know, you got to basically balance, and people are being pickier. People are being pickier. I will say that. I'm being pickier, and it's smart to be pickier. I think it's a good thing. You got to be picky. You know, got to be picky at certain things in life. You can't have everything, but you got to pick out what you can have so that you live a good life, right? So you got to be picky, and I think that's what's going on. That's also a lot of pickiness going on, which is a good thing. I will say also, when it comes to what's releasing, hit or miss. I will say that in my opinion. We're getting a lot of good releases, but also a lot of trash releases at the same time. And I will say, in 2024, I'm going to drop some videos about 2024. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button right now for 2024 sneaker videos. I'm going to drop some here in 2023 to end off the year. But in 2024, I'm going to say it, I don't think we're getting crazy releases. As of now, a lot of it's trash, in my opinion. And it's not based on the resale. It's just I don't like the shoe. I don't. A lot of these releases I'm just not crazy about. And I'm picky. I think a lot of people are being more picky, and it's a good thing. Here's the truth. You can have 500, 1,000 sneakers. Where are you going to put them all? So that's the truth, guys. You only have 2 feet, right? You can only wear a pair a day, switch them out. You know, it's a lot. It's a lot to manage. Where are you going to put it all? So at the same time, you got to be picky. So that's what's going on. And the market has fully done a 180. Guys, it's crazy. I want you guys to drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this. Are you guys still buying sneakers? Because I know a lot of people are not. I will say that. A lot of this sneaker thing is a fad for a lot of people. It's a trend for a lot of people. Realize that, and you'll realize what's going on. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on, guys. I've seen a lot of people get out of sneakers, a lot of people get into sneakers and not stay in it for very long. It's a trend, it's a fad for a lot of people. Not everybody, of course, but for a lot of people. So yes, with that being said, let me know what you guys think about all this. Are you guys still buying shoes? Let me know your thoughts on the market. Full 180. Full 180. Prices are down. They're going to stay down. Do I think it's going to bounce back? I want you guys to wait for that because I will drop a video if you guys want me to. If you guys can get this video up to 150 likes, I will drop a video whether we're talking about, do I think the market's going to bounce back? What do I think is going to end up happening in the future? All right, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Gratitude 11s. You do not want to miss out on the free sneaker giveaways here on the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. And don't forget, I am uploading every day here in December. So make sure you guys subscribe. Join the More family. Get me to 70,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Hit that like button. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.